Hello everyone, and welcome to Guide Glimpse. In this video, I'll teach how to upload YouTube short in PC. Click Create. Click Upload Videos. Click Submit File and import your short.